Abberly West Ashley Apartment Homes by HHHunt represents a new style of living in the beautiful Charleston, South Carolina area. Coming home will be the highlight of your day. When you're not enjoying a refreshing swim, you can socialize at the clubhouse, build your strength at the 24-hour fitness center, grab a quick bite at the grilling area, or catch up with work at the business center. This and so much more. Enjoy unmatched comfort in a spacious, pet-friendly 1- or 2-bedroom apartment home. Experience the perfect balance of serenity, convenience, and the comfort this community has to offer. All of this plus an award-winning on-site management and service team, 24 hours a day emergency maintenance, and the HHHunt How You Live lifestyle. Start living the life you deserve and contact us for a tour today of Abberly West Ashley Apartment Homes by HHHunt in Charleston, South Carolina. LiveAbberlyWestAshley.com